Today I'm replacing the stock halogen bulb on my Ducati Monster 696 with the Sylvania LED lamp. I was driving home last night on the expressway and kind of had a scary situation where the road was a new paved road, so it was kind of black and it was hard to see. Then on top of that, I had a truck, must have blown his radiator in front of me, and I got some mist on my face shield, and that made it even more hard to see. But with the black road, it was very hard to see with the stock halogen lamp. So today I decided to replace them with LED and see how it goes. At first I was a bit concerned the LED lamp may not fit inside the housing, but as you can see they have the connector off to the side, so you don't have to worry about the connector taking up space. And there's actually plenty of room. There's at least probably half an inch of clearance. And the LED provides nice bright white light, 6000 K, and hopefully it's a lot brighter than the halogen. Removing the headlight assembly is actually quite simple. You do not need to remove the fly screen or the instrument panel. It all comes off as one piece. There's only two bolts that you need to worry about. One is right here, 10mm nut. And there's also one on the other side. Right there. Just remove those two bolts and the entire headlight assembly will lift up and then out. Once you have those two 10mm nuts off the bottom of the headlamp assembly, you should be able to lift up on it and then out, and then you should be able to rotate it down and over. As you can see, I now have access to the headlamp on the back side. Next I just need to remove these 5 Phillips head screws, and I should be able to get to the lamp and pull it out. I also disconnected one of the blinker quick disconnects. This allowed me to rotate it out farther to get access to it. I now have the new ZEVO LED lamp installed. As you can see, there's plenty of room. No issues with clearance. It does have this external cable that plugs in. Just tuck that in, plenty of room. The LED is also rotational, as you can see. You can rotate it left or right 90 degrees. I have it straight up at 0 degrees, which points the LEDs straight left and straight right. Well, the new LED lamp is installed and everything is back together. Let's turn it on and see how it looks. Looks pretty bright, nice and white. I'll turn on a high beam for comparison. That still has the halogen bulb in. Yeah, you can see it's much more yellow looking. Well, it looks good. Just have to wait for it to get dark now and try it out at night. Well, it's finally nighttime. Let's give this light a try. Wow, these lights are bright. I can say this light is probably about twice as powerful as the stock headlight. Looks great, nice and white. That's with the high beams on. You can see how yellow it looks. Yeah, they look great. Well, I just got back from a 20-minute ride at night, and I was a little concerned that these lights might be too bright and people might flash their eyes at me. But I passed probably 30 or so cars and no one flashed their eyes at me. As you can see, it's nice white light, not too blinding unless you go down really low where the low beam hits and you can see it's bright, but I'm down like 2 feet off the ground right now. But yeah, the light looks great, and it's night and day difference driving with this light compared to the stock headlight. It was great to finally be able to see the road really good. Nice white light. Yeah, it looks great. I'm really happy with this upgrade. This LED lamp upgrade made a huge difference for nighttime driving. Also, I did not have any problems with the pattern of the lamp and light on the road. Pretty much matched the same as the stock headlamp. This might have to do with the fact that you can rotate the LED 90 degrees to one side or the other to match the reflector inside your headlamp. Also, I think this LED lamp is a little more safe for daytime driving. It's a little bit brighter for oncoming traffic, so it might be a little bit safer. Overall, I'm very happy with this upgrade to the LED headlamp. It gave me the white light that I was looking for and more light on the road. It also gives the bike a more modern look with the white light. Once again, here's a close-up of the LED lamp. When you're hooking it up, make sure you have the polarity correct. Once you plug it in, just turn on the key, make sure it works. If not, switch to wires. I forgot to mention before that this piece comes off for easy mounting. Then the lamp slides in, and then you can rotate it 90 degrees to one side or the other. The only downside with this lamp was I had to buy two of them at once. They only come in packs of 2, but at least I have a spare down the road, and the price was about $100. A little pricey, but the light is good and appears to be a very nice upgrade. Thanks for watching.